Hey, what's up everybody? This is Manpreet Singh here with Unbox with Singhs. Just going to be unboxing the OnePlus 9 Pro 5G here. With my order, I actually got a OnePlus Buds pair as well, the Stephen Harrington edition. This unboxing is just going to be a quick unboxing. I won't be taking too much time. We'll start with these buds here. They seem to have some pretty funky colors. Don't know how good they're going to be. I've never actually tried them, but they've got bass boost, 20 hours of battery life, water and sweat resistant, comfortable and cool design, and seamless connection. So I'm assuming these are going to work really, really well with the OnePlus device since it's that ecosystem. Let's go ahead and open this up. So I don't really know what to expect. I've never actually tried any type of OnePlus headphones before, so this is going to be something new for me as well. Oh, it looks kind of cool. It's like a pill shape, kind of like the Galaxy Buds. So they've got kind of a cool design to them. Personally, I don't know if I would rock these a whole lot just because of the styling behind them. And I'm more of just like a, plain earbuds kind of guy. But I will say they do look pretty cool. So I've got our booklets. We've got some different ear tips here for comfort, and then we've got a charging cable. Super tiny one, but it's got the cool red cable, just like the phones do, so that's kind of nice to see. It is USB-C to USB-A. All right, so we'll put those away, and we'll get to unboxing the phone here. So I'm kind of excited about this phone. I did try the one last year. There was a couple of things that I didn't like. I wasn't a fan of no always on display. I'm not a huge fan of the fingerprint sensors that use the light. So I do prefer the Samsung ones. So as you can see, here's the phone. We'll get to that after. Let's see what else is in the box. So we've got the Never Settle branding on it. Looks like the books and stuff are in here. Nothing in there, but there are the books here, so pretty simple packaging. It is nice and clean. We've got that giant 65 watt charging brick, which is awesome. Love to see that. Other manufacturers no longer providing them, which is kind of sad. Like I had mentioned, the red cable that OnePlus is famous for. I do love how this looks. So this is really cool. Now let's get to the phone. So I went with the mint green. Sorry, the pine green is what it's called. So you can see these giant Hasselblad cameras here. So we'll definitely do a more in-depth review of this phone once I've used it for a little while. This is just the unboxing, so I'll probably put my SIM card in it later on tonight or maybe tomorrow. It does look good. I love the rocker here, so you can go to silent, vibrate, or turn the sound on. And you've got the volume rockers over here, power button over here. Again, the cameras, USB-C. We've got our front-facing camera over here. So it looks really good. It looks like there's a screen protector on it already. I'm not going to take that one off. We'll leave it on. Looks cool. I'm really digging this color here. This is one of the matte ones. The other color that was available here in Canada was the silver, but that one was it was very shiny, and it was definitely going to be a fingerprint magnet. So I figured, you know, rather have one that I can not gather fingerprints on. So we'll turn it on. I'll show you guys the splash screen, and then we'll end it here. So I do have high hopes for this phone. The last one did let me down with a few things. Like I was mentioning, always on display was missing. And that fingerprint scanner was just kind of annoying in the dark. It would light up basically the entire phone screen just to get my fingerprint. I suppose you could avoid that by using Face ID or something. It does have Face Unlock. It's not secure like Apple's Face ID or anything like that, but it is quick and generally does work very, very quickly. But me personally, I like using the fingerprint, a little bit more secure. That's just my preference. This time around, they do have an always-on display, so I'm excited to see what that's going to be all about. But yeah, stay tuned. I will get this all set up and started. Thanks for watching. Take care. If you have any questions, comments, leave them down below. And hope to hear from you soon. And we will see you in the next video.